Daily routine.
What is your daily study routine? What is your daily study routine? Have you ever changed your routine? Have you ever changed your routine?
If you are looking for more questions and strengthen yourself for the test, subscribe to our channel and like the video to be the first to see the latest videos.
Do you think it is important to have a daily routine for your study? Do you think it is important to have a daily routine for your study? What part of your day do you like best? What part of your day do you like best?
If you know the answers to the questions, you can write to us in the comments section.